just...
Okay. This laser, it has a very specific point of light. It's called a cold laser, and this particular one focuses on specific acupuncture points, especially for animals that maybe won't tolerate a whole lot of needles. I can use this in some of the places instead of needles to get more treatment with less potential irritation. So that's what I use the laser for on the kitties. Let's do up here a little bit. Up here, just they're inflammation points.
Especially he's walking on his two front legs, so he's holding his whole body up with his two legs.
Yeah, he says I've got to have extra strength up here.
Yeah, he's put on muscle though around his upper area there in the last 2 months.